Hello. Top 3 backup cameras 2025. Which brand to choose? Parking safely is essential, but not all cameras are the same. In this video, we see the 3 best brands of backup cameras of 2025 available on Amazon, with a comparison of features, price, and image quality. First, Garmin BC50. Wireless and professional. Features: wireless camera with direct connection to compatible Garmin navigators, advanced night vision, and IP67 protection. Wide viewing angle, stable image, even while moving. Pro: 15-meter extension cable. It is possible to extend the signal range up to 30 meters, available separately. Perfect integration with Garmin systems. Compact and professional design. Ideal for those who already have a Garmin navigator or are looking for a premium wireless solution. Price around $230, $250. High-end but quality guaranteed. 2. Tykit Sepai. 7 inches. Economical with a large screen. 7-inch monitor content. Waterproof HD camera. IP69. Wired connection. 12 to 24 volt power supply. IR night vision. 170-degree angle. Supports and cables included. Pro: excellent value for money. Widescreen visible even in full daylight. Compatible with campers, vans, cars, trucks. Ideal for those looking for an economical yet more visible solution suitable for all types of vehicles. Price: approximately $55, $72. Available on all major European Amazons. 3. Wolfbox 12 inches. 4K. Mirror dash cam. Rear camera. Contents: front camera plus or rear. 9.35-inch touchscreen integrated into the rear view mirror. Dashcam functionality with loop recording and a night vision. IP68 wide compatibility. Pro: 2-in-1. Dashcam plus parking. Sleek integration. No additional monitors on the dashboard. Easy to use. Touchscreen. Ideal for those who want complete security and a modern look in the car. Price: about $150 of 80. 3 solutions for 3 needs. Premium Garmin BC50 wireless. Economical with large screen Kikit 7. Elegant and multifunctional Wolfbox 12 inches. You'll find all Amazon links below in the description with localized versions for each country. Leave a like and subscribe for more car tips. Bye.